Lorraine County until 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grove City, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Rensselaer, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Bexley, Ponchatoula, Minerva Park, Ohio State University, Easton, Whitehall, New Albany, Grandview Heights, Bobette, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Port Columbus Airport, and Lincoln Village. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers
FM,
99 and 114.
He's back. The wait is over. Ready? Let's do it.
Almost Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We are featuring our
Is this still going?
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground occurring with this storm. Late this morning, then partly cloudy. Storm. Law enforcement activity struck by that one. And they need to watch flooding. Vehicles in flooded roadways. For severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/. Don't submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Stop
warning has
yapping.
been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ohio.
Can FM tone this? Is this KIG? There. Oh, it's Wayne.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio.
Oh.
South central Lorraine County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern
Alright, I
Daylight
hate
Time,
filming on my
a
iPad.
thunderstorm was located over Polk or near Ashland. Please at 25 miles per hour.
Can I get...
Hazard, 60 miles. Source, radar indicated.
Thursday night, partly cloudy.
Trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ashland, Lincoln, Lodi, Reston, West Salem, Chippewa, Savannah,
Screw this thing.
Sullivan, Seville, Penfield, Westfield Center,
What?
Area Glen Park, Bailey Lake, Burbank, Congress, Roseburg, Chippewa on the Lake, and Nova. For your protection, move to an interior.
Ain't no way it's 80 in here. I got the fan on.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
You can shut up now.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Lorraine, Medina, and Wayne.
What's the polygon look like?
The forecast. Southeastern Clark County, southwestern Madison County, until 4:45 p.m.
Oh, hey, Madison.
At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jamestown, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, South Solon, Midway, Interstate 71 and State Route 38, and Bell Center. Say 71. until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cardington or near Mount Gilead, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
Hurry up.
Locations impacted include Mount Gilead,
Why does 97.9 never tone stuff anymore?
Fredericktown, Cardington, Belleville, Sedgeburg, Ashley, Warrior,
Chesterfield, Sparta, Waterford, Caledonia,
Wingo, Fulton, North Liberty, Chicago, with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
You should warn this. Bro.
Showers and thunderstorms are possible through Sunday, particularly in the afternoon and evening before drier conditions returns for the start of the work week. Warm temperatures drop closer to normal. Ohio, southern Delaware County, west central Licking County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dublin, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
How you doing?
Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Plain City, New California, Polaris, New Albany, Shawnee Hills, Galena, Ridley, Allen Creek, Marysville, Worthington, Powell, 22, Sunbury. This includes a 71 in Ohio between mile markers 117 and 136. Allen Creek State Park. 33 FF 42. 71 in Ohio between weather. All hazards radio. KIG 86. Columbus, Ohio. Originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now here's the National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy.
Flash flood warning.
Some locations that may experience
WWG.
southwestern Delaware County, northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 7
Hey, where?
p.m. At 5:24 p.m., radar
Hey, hold on.
thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the board.
Hey, it's for Plain City.
Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2 inches are possible.
WWG hasn't toned it yet.
Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
WWG's not toned it yet.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas.
Wait, is it for licking?
Streets and underpasses as well as other more drainage.
Oh, FM.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Delaware County, northwestern Franklin
Do they only tone FFWs on FM?
County, Ohio, until
so.
7:30 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or
Shut up.
drift away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.
Oh my God! It's from Plain City.
Flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Plain City's cooked.
effect until 7:15 p.m. this evening. What areas will be caused by excessive rainfall may experience flash flooding here. The following counties include Ohio, Maryland, Wisconsin, Plain City, New California, Indian Hills, even Fairhaven. Minor flooding is unlikely for greatest area. Interstate 71 and US Route 36/State Route 37. Turn around. Don't
that was cool.
encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in
Wait, I just realized it said stay away. Stay.
Or be swept away.
Yeah, it said that.
Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. To report flash flooding, go to our website or weather.gov/ILM.
The FM's still going, my guy.
Social media when you can do so safely.
West Jefferson, New California. Locations.
There we go.
Northeastern Preble County, southeastern Dark County, west central Clark County, northern Montgomery County, southern Miami County, until 7 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Englewood, moving northeast.
Inglewood, always something no good.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Huber Heights, Troy, Trotwood, Vandalia,
That worked.
Englewood, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton, Pleasant Hill, Brown, Riverside, Clayton, Union, Brookville, Shiloh, Phillipsburg, Verona, Laura, and Potsdam. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 17 and 46. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 75. National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, western Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, Miami County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tip City, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind
Sunbeams.
gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Yeah.
Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Troy, Piqua, Urbana, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton, Northridge, St. Harris, Pleasant Hill, Brown, Union, Christiansburg, Northampton, Fletcher, Tremont City, Castown, Ludlow Falls, Thackeray, Jinomsburg, and Westville. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile marker 66 and 84.
Ready? Wow.
Now here.
What we got here?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, Champaign County, Logan County, northwestern Clark County, northeastern Miami County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7
Storms.
a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Harris, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
What we got here?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect
This thing
damage to
says
trees
observed.
and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Urbana, St. Harris, West Liberty, Russell's Point, Delaware Graph, Lakeview, Quincy, Christiansburg, Fletcher, Huntsville, Valley High, Zanes Field, Mutual, Cable, Thackeray, Westville, New Jerusalem, McMorran, and Maplewood. A severe